No, I didn't.
I was going to say, because it's not going to have any expensive.
No.
Really. He wants to turn right. No.
Turning right again. That's strange, isn't it? I'm gonna. I didn't get enough speed up here to check it, but I'll give it a bit more stick this time. I'll hold the rudder on. That's the best idea. Woo! Give me some right trim, right aileron, and a bit of. That's it.
A bit of. Oh.
I'll tell you what in a minute. No. Give it a bit of down. It's a funny little thing to fly, this is. That's better. It's a weird little model. You really...
You can't come down heavy on
I'll tell you what, Laurie.
When you land, you
oh, God, it's going to be a once-over landing, this is, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
Whoop, you so-and-so. You want a tip stall on me? Not the easiest machine to fly.
Well, yeah, but
give me left aileron, Laurie. Left aileron.
Left now.
Yeah. Oh, get down, you so-and-so. Get down. God, blimey, what happened there? That wasn't me.
Just got out of wind, I think.
Yeah. Oh, it's a little so-and-so to fly.
This isn't a very good flyer. Be very careful.
What a handful.
A bit of a so-and-so.
What a handful.
The thing is, we don't know which...
I'll get the impression. I'm just going to fly this, because I don't think this will be flying again.
If it lands too heavy, it's going to be in bits anyway.
Yeah. It looms up on you after a bit.
But when it's flying straight...
It's okay.
Yeah, it doesn't...
It's going to be I tell you what, it's going to be a handful to land.
Well, we won't do that.
I'm just going to enjoy flying it with probably the one and only time I'll be flying this, I think. If I can get it down in one piece.
Right.
Yeah. Give me a touch of down trim, Laurie. Just a touch. Not too much, that's it. I think you better hang on, guys, because it could be a quick landing, this. The takeoff was more by accident than anything else.
I'll get the ambulance and the fire.
Get the ambulance and the fire brigade, that's it.
Yeah.
Seems to like left-hand circuits as opposed to right-hand circuits. Just about got off, didn't I? But no.
It wasn't a 3D lab print.
No.
Design plane.
No. I mean, it looks good when it's flying. It looks good. Oh, I've got to keep the speed up on this.
I was saying, yeah, you've got to keep it off when you land. It doesn't seem to want to float, does it?
No, just a touch more down, Laurie. Just a touch, a smidgen. It certainly won't fly hands off. I don't let go of the sticks.
It's gone blustery.
No, it's not that. It's an handful.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at it loom up on me like that there. I didn't do that. Just get as long as a flight I can out of it, just to get used to it. Yeah. Landing's it's gonna collapse on landing. I know it is. Yeah. It wallows, Laurie.
Eh?
It wallows.
It's designed to disassemble.
Yeah, it wallows. You know, see how it wallows in the sky?
Self-packing.
Yeah.
Well, the air coup's a bit bigger.
Yes.
It should be a lot better.
This is very twitchy.
It's a bit like a Lysander wing.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Different anyway, certainly different.
Getting to grips with it,
Yeah, better now. But it's tip stalls if you're not careful. Well, let's try a landing. Do what I can. I'm going to fly it in fast, I think, but without breaking the gear.
Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start.
Tip stall on me to the left. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Dropped the wing.